Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this bag. The bag is 20-inch wide and 16-inch long. The bag is perfect to the market and to the beach. But I keep yarn inside my bag. If you wanna see how to crochet this bag, let's get started. I'm using 4.5mm crochet hook and around 150 grams, so it's 1.5 skein of double knit yarn. But check the description box, you will find more details there, as well as the link to the written version of this pattern. Okay, now chain 41. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now starting from the second chain from the hook, make one single crochet into next 39 stitches. Place the marker onto first stitch made. I will place the marker later. So one single crochet into next 39 stitches. I will see you when I finish my 39 stitches. Okay, so that's my 39 stitches. Now in the last chain, make 3 single crochet. So 3 single crochet into the last chain. So this is your first single crochet, this is your second single crochet, this is your third single crochet, and now on your way back on the other side of the chain, make one single crochet into next 38 chains. So one single crochet into next 38 chains. I will see you when I finish my 38 chains. So the last chain, make 2 single crochet into the last chain. One single crochet, last single crochet. So totally you should have 82 stitches in the round number 1. Now replace marker and let's start round number 2. Make 2 single crochet into the first stitch in round number 2. Yes, place the marker. And now make one single crochet into the next 38 stitches. So one single crochet into the next 38 stitches. Make 2 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So one single crochet, second single crochet into the first stitch, then one single crochet and second single crochet into the second stitch, one single crochet and second single crochet into the last stitch. And now make one single crochet into the next 38 stitches. So one single crochet into the next 38 stitches. And make 2 single crochet into the last 2 stitches. So totally in the round number 2 you should have 88 stitches. Now let's start round number 3. Replace marker and make 2 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. So 2 single crochet into the first stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and now make 1 single crochet into the next 39 stitches. So 1 single crochet into the next 39 stitches. And now make 2 single crochet into the next 5 stitches. So 2 single crochet into next 5 stitches. And now make 1 single crochet into the next 39 stitches. Make 2 single crochet into the last 3 stitches. So totally in the round number 3 you should have 98 stitches altogether. Replace marker and let's start round number 4. Make 2 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So 2 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. Second stitch, third stitch, and now make 1 single crochet into the next 42 stitches. 1 single crochet into the next 42 stitches. Now make 2 single crochet into the next 7 stitches. And now make 1 single crochet into the next 42 stitches. And make 2 single crochet into the last 4 stitches. 2 single crochet into the last 4 stitches. So you should have total of 112 stitches in round number 4. 112. So let's start round number 5. Make replace marker and make 2 single crochet into the first 4 stitches. 2 single crochet into the first 4 stitches. And now make 1 single crochet into the next 47 stitches. Now make 2 single crochet into the next 9 stitches. So 2 single crochet into the next 9 stitches. Now make 1 single crochet into the next 47 stitches. And make 2 single crochet into the last 5 stitches. 2 single crochet into the last 5 stitches. You should have total of 130 stitches in round number 5. So we have finished our base. Round number 6. So skip first stitch and make half double crochet and double crochet into the next stitch. So half double crochet and double crochet into the same stitch. Then skip next stitch and again make half double crochet and double crochet into the next stitch. Half double crochet and double crochet into the same stitch. And again skip next stitch, make half double crochet and double crochet into the next stitch. Work this manner all around. So half double crochet and double crochet, skip one. Half double crochet, double crochet, skip one. So this is my last stitch in round number 6. So last skip, last half double crochet and last double crochet. And now do not chain, do not slip stitch, just start work in next space. Now in round number 7, work half double crochet and double crochet into each space. So half double crochet in first space, half double crochet into the next space, half double crochet, half double crochet in the next space. Repeat round number 7 34 times more. And remember, at the end of each round, do not chain or slip stitch, just replace stitch marker and work in next free space. So continue working in this manner 35 rows. When finished, you should have 33 rows totally. So see you when you finish your 35 rounds. Okay, I have made my 43 rows. Now let's start row number 44. Make one half double crochet into each stitch. So first half double crochet here, next half double crochet in the space, next half double crochet into the stitch between half double crochet and double crochet, next half double crochet into the space. Continue working in this manner all around. So this is my last half double crochet in round number 44. Now let's start round number 45. Make one single crochet into each stitch and repeat round number 45 3 times more, so 4 rounds altogether. Just so one single crochet into each stitch. So in next 4 rounds make 130 single crochets. Okay, now lay your back flat in front of you. Check position of your stitch marker. Should be in line with right edge. You might add extra single crochets or finish round number 48 a few stitches before stitch marker. My stitch marker was in a good position. Okay, so this is how I will divide my back. I will make 10 single crochet and then chain 70. I will skip 45 stitches and make 20 single crochets. Then we will chain 70. Skip 45 stitches and I will make 1 single crochet into the next 10 stitches. Let's start 1 single crochet into the first 10 stitches. Okay, I have made my 10 single crochets. Now chain 70 and then skip 45 stitches. So chain 70, skip 45. So I skipped 45 and single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, and now make 1 single crochet into the next 19 stitches. So altogether will be 20 single crochets. 2, 3, 4. So I have made my 20 single crochet. Now again chain 70 and skip 45 stitches, chain 70, skip 45 stitches, skip, and make 1 single crochet into the last 10 stitches. So this is stitch marker, 45th stitch. We'll single crochet into the 46th stitch and 1 single crochet into the last 10 stitches. In round 50 we will make first 10 single crochet, then 1 single crochet into each chain, then 20 single crochet, 1 single crochet into each chain, and 10 single crochet. So 1 single crochet into each chain, into each stitch. So 1, replace marker, 2, 3, 10. Now 1 single crochet into each chain. So we should have 70 single crochet in one handle. 1 single crochet into each chain. Now, this is our handle. Now make 1 single crochet into next 20 stitches. So this is your next single crochet. 1 single crochet into next 20 stitches. 2, 3, 4. So I've made my 20 stitches and I start second handle. Again, 1 single crochet into each chain. You should have 70 stitches in second handle. 1 single crochet into each chain. 1 single crochet into each chain. And now make last 10 single crochet. So 1 single crochet into last 10 stitches. So you should have 180 stitches in round number 50. Round number 51, just make 1 single crochet into each stitch. 1 single crochet into each stitch in round number 51. So again, you should have 180 stitches in round number 51. Go around, also work on hands. In round number 52, again make 1 single crochet into each stitch, so repeat round number 51. At the end of this round, make 2 slip stitches, cut the yarn wave ends in. And that's it, that's my bag is finished. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.